What's going on, guys? JSGC Vlogs here, and we are here for another video, and we're here for another hotel room tour. Today we're going to be doing my room tour of a standard room for Belfast city centre, more specifically staying at the Leonardo Hotel, Belfast City. So, going to show you around our room. Firstly, this room is a triple room. I did ask for a standard double room, so if you just pan over there, excuse the mess, we've just had a good night's sleep, but that's your standard double bed, and then behind me got a single bed as well, so it is a triple room. I did book a standard room, they put me in a triple room, I'm not complaining, extra bit of space, I'm happy, thumbs up from me. So let me show you around the room. Card key. Okay, as we come in, you can see the size of the room here, decent sized room. Door, always good, comes with a lock and a little peephole that you can look through there for people that like the safety, like me. Got a nice closet areas up here for your shoes, places for you to hang up your clothes, ironing board, and also some luggage area as well. Decent sized closet, just spin around. I'll show you the bathroom at the end. You've got your bathroom door there, controlled by them lights just over there. As we head in, you do have a smart TV that's not a smart TV. Decent TV. We watched a film on it last night. As you can see, normally on here you'd have the smart option, which is not available on the TV. So if you want to use a smart TV option, not available. You do also have some more storage room just here as well, along with drawer space on the TV stand. If you just come in here on the drawer on the TV stand, you do have a hairdryer in that bag as well. You also got a desk with tea and coffee facilities, which is always a bonus, and also a little desk lamp, and for me it likes to do a bit of filming. Perfect opportunity just to pop the tripod up there and do a little bit of filming. You also have extra room here with a little table. Now, heading over to the view from the room, we've got the city of Belfast. You do have just here a sliding option, so you can slide it open, and then you can open up your window and it pulls out here, just a little bit of fresh air in. Has been restricted for your safety, so it won't pull in any further. So I don't know what this is like on a summer's day, but we're here in March, and it's nice just to let a little bit of fresh air into the room. There's a bit of outside noise, so just bear that in mind. There's also a nice little option they give you, an additional heater if it is cold. As I said, it is winter, so maybe needed, but thankfully not been needed whilst we've been here, as it's not been too cold. Do have full length mirror just here. And then, as I said, we asked for the standard room, so I don't presume that you get the single bed over there, as it looks like a triple room, so it will sleep 3 adults. There's your size of the standard double bed. It was a decent size, very decent size. Got plug sockets. I love plug sockets by a bed right there, which is good, and a little bedside table. And as I come over to the single bed again, pretty decent sized single bed, to be fair, and beds are nice and comfortable. Also got another plug over here if you want to charge any of your electrical devices next to your bed, or if you like to do a bit of reading and charge your Kindle at the same time, or plug your phone in and just have a browse. You've got that as the option if you're low on power. Got a phone there to call down to reception, and any queries, and you've got a couple of bedside lights as well, along with lights there. And one of my favourite things is this ginormous mirror right in front of you. So we'll go and check out the bathroom now, and that gives you a good representation of the size of the room. Decent sized room. Over to the bathroom, pop the bathroom lights on, and in we go. First you get a nice mirror, decent sized mirror and sink. Pretty decent sized bathroom, to be fair. Got a shower and bath. Shower head doesn't pull off, but does do a very good job. We have a good shower, and there's your toilet. does a good job. All in all, I'd say pretty good hotel, to be honest, for the price. Very happy with it. I think if I was in Belfast again, I'd have no problem staying here, and it would be my recommendation. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up on the video, and do let me know your thoughts as well in the comments below. Not having breakfast is an additional charge. I think it was £12 per person, so we've taken up the option not to have breakfast included on our hotel stay, so I can't comment on what the food is like here, unfortunately. But I'll see you guys again for the next one, and more hotel room tours and hotel complex tours for you guys to look forward to. I have also got my Belfast vlog coming up for you guys to look forward to, where I spend 36 hours in Belfast, so I'll see you then. So I've been JSGC Vlogs. Thank you everybody for watching. I do hope everyone is safe and well. Peace. Ciao for now.